I've recently created a script called ubuntu-update.sh and put it on GitHub. I found myself typing this command quite often whenever I log into my servers basically, and it was a lot to type, and I thought if I was going to just put this in a script, I might as well make it look nicer as well. So what this command does is update apt. Then it does an upgrade based on the updates that were downloaded with the -y flag, which will answer yes to the do you want to do this question that you would normally get. And then it will do apt full upgrade, which is kind of like the old apt get dist upgrade. And again with the -y flag. We can see what the output is. And I don't have any updates, so there was nothing to do here. So that works fine, but let's see what the script will do. And I'm going to go through the whole process with you. There are several ways you could get the script. You could either just click download zip, extract it, or you could make your own Git clone. The advantage of doing a clone of the Git repository is that you'll have all the updates whenever they're entered. You won't have to, well, you'll have to sync, but you won't have to re-download or keep track. So let's go through this process. We'll start out in our home directory and we'll make a new directory called my_project. We'll change directory into that. And then we'll initialize Git in this new folder by just typing git init. Now you can see here you could clone or download this repository. And we'll just use the web URL. So we'll copy that to the clipboard. And in our directory, we'll type git clone and paste that URL. And we have our new directory and our update.sh file. Now we can just run update.sh with sudo permissions. You'll be prompted for your password. Now we'll go through a similar process to what we just did, but you notice some kind of headings in there so we can see what's going on a little bit more clearly. You can see what was installed. And we can also see this message here saying that we should run sudo apt auto remove to remove these extra files that are no longer needed after the upgrade. So we'll do that, get rid of those extra headers, save some space. And that's it. I hope you make some good use out of this script.